Tired of a messy Salesforce navigation? Reset it to default in just 3 clicks. Here's how. You've customized your navigation pane, added a few items, reordered things, and now it just feels cluttered. Maybe you've moved on from a project, or a coworker is going to use your Salesforce org and they need the clean, out-of-the-box layout. I get it. You've been looking for that reset button, that one-click undo, and it seems like it's hiding. But it's there, and I'm going to show you exactly where it is. So you can go from a customized, crowded navigation bar back to that familiar default setup in just a few seconds. No fuss, no digging through settings. First, let me give you the quick roadmap. You're going to click the pen icon to edit your navigation. Then you'll select the option to reset navigation to default. And finally, you'll hit save. That's it. Let's walk through it together. So the very first thing you want to do is look at the top of your Salesforce navigation bar. You'll see the tabs you've been using, like Home, Accounts, Opportunities, and so on. Now, pay close attention here. Right there on the far right side of that navigation bar, you'll see a small icon that looks like a pen. It's usually right next to the plus sign. That's your edit button. It's actually pretty small, so don't feel bad if you've been scanning the whole screen looking for a big reset button somewhere else. This little guy is your key. Click that pen icon. Go ahead and do it now. And just like that, you're in edit mode. Your navigation pane will shift a little, and you'll notice that you can now drag and drop items, add new ones, or remove things. But we're not here to micromanage today. We're here to wipe it clean and start fresh. Now, here's the important part. Look at the very top of this editing window, or right above your navigation items. You're going to see a drop-down menu or a small link that says something like Reset Navigation to Default. It might be in a slightly different spot depending on your version of Salesforce, but it's there. I've tested this across a bunch of different orgs, and that option never moves. So just scan the top area of the editing pane. You'll see it. And here's the thing. Once you click that, a little confirmation box will pop up. It's going to ask, are you sure? Because Salesforce wants to make sure you really want to undo all your hard work. And let me tell you, this is a complete reset. It's not just removing the last few things you added. It reverts everything back to how it was the very first time you logged in. So if you've spent a lot of time carefully setting up your navigation for a specific workflow, make sure that's really what you want. But if you're ready for a clean slate, go ahead and click that confirmation. Now for the final step. You'll see a blue Save button. It's usually in the bottom right corner of the editing window. Give that a click, and you're done. Your navigation pane refreshes instantly, and you're looking at that clean default layout. Home, Accounts, Contacts, Opportunities, Leads, back where they belong. It's almost like a fresh start, isn't it? From here, if you ever want to customize it again, you know exactly how to get back into edit mode. But for now, you've got a clean, distraction-free navigation bar. No more guessing where things went. No more scrolling through a long list of tabs. Just the essentials. And that's really all there is to it. 3 clicks, maybe a minute of your time, and a whole lot of clean screen real estate. Hopefully this saved you a little time and a little frustration. Thanks for sticking with me. I'll see you in the next one.